Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. Stuart's back. I hope you like the video how to do how to do the oil change in this 2014 Kia Sorento SXL GDI. Alright. I put 6 quarts of regular oil, 530, 5W30, 5W30, and now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Alright. All you gotta do is, the car is running right now. Okay. All you're gonna do is play with these two buttons. So you press this menu button, and you're gonna see the icons on top change. So go where it says info, the info icon. It says service and 91 days. And it tells you there, place the down arrow, press and hold it to reset it, which is this one right here on the steering wheel. So press and hold it. Yeah, so press and hold it is gonna reset it. If you wanna set up your the service interval, just go to gear, press arrow to go in, press the menu button. I'm sorry. Press the arrow to go down. Go service interval, press the menu button. And here, press down, arrow down. And here you set it up. Okay. So there's two ways to reset the oil life. By setting this up, or just the other way by holding the arrow down, press and hold it for a while, and it's gonna reset it. And this is how you reset the oil life in this 2014 Sorento SXL V6 GDI, 4-wheel drive, by the way. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's very helpful for your project. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, bang it, and the feedback put in the comment box for me, and I catch you up later. All right, holla at your boy. Astuvo, boom. Hey,